How secure is the Mahashivratri? Mahashivratri is the biggest gathering of the devotees of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva, the supreme destroyer of evil, the Lord of all Devas. Pashupatinath in Kathmandu, Nepal is the epicenter of Shivaism. On Shivaratris, millions of pilgrims pay their homage here in Kathmandu, Nepal, Pashupatinath temple. There is an interesting side about Shivaratri. A lot of youths are interested in this festival. The reason? On this day, on this occasion, smoking pot or marijuana is legal. Sadhus offer marijuana, youths enjoy it legally high. Now imagine, 2 million tourists, 2 million pilgrims are estimated to pay their homage this year, 2020. 20 lakh people and youths who are legally high, all in one premises. But every year it's the same story regarding Shivaratri. But have you realized we do not hear about clashes, interruptions, disruptions, or any kind of noise in Shivaratri, even with this many number of people in one small area? Why? We thought, let's find out. So on the record, Nepal was curious about finding out about how the security manage, how they manage this entire crowd, how do they come up with a guideline of acting smart when a small issue emerges, and how is that tackled. In an exclusive report on Shivaratri, this is a presentation of On the Record Nepal. Is Shivaratri secure? We'll find out.
एउटा टुल राख्छ सबिना तामाङ र हामीले केटाहरू सबै खटाइसकेको छ त्यो खटाएको ठाउँमा चाहिँ हामीले बिचमा चाहिँ हामी लाने व्यवस्थाको लागि लाने खोज्ने है तर हामी केही गर्नु पर्दैन हाम्रो काम खाली गरौँ बिदा खुट्टा दुख्छ यसो अलिअलि हिँड्ने गर्ने लाने
एक बार बाबा देखो
आएको छ यिनीहरू यसो हेर्दाखेरि त्यो कमल कटले हेर्दाखेरि अर्को 8-10 जना छ यिनीहरूको ग्रुप है यति कन्फिडेन्ट भएर बोलेको
हामी सेल्फी खिचेर चाहिँ साथीहरू आइरहेको थियौँ र त्यो गेटबाट भित्र जाने क्रममा चाहिँ एउटा मास्क लगाएको भाइले त्यो गल्तीबाट निकालेर ब्याग भएको पनि हामीले सिसी क्यामेरामा देखिसकेका छौँ र अब त्यो पत्ता लगाउन प्रहरी साथीहरू लागिरहनु भएको छ कहिले पत्ता लाग्छ पत्ता लाग्यो भने चाहिँ अनुसन्धान नेपालको राम्रै हो भन्ने लाग्छ मलाई नत्र भने अब खै हेरौँ कस्तो हुन्छ
होइन सर
होइन भन्छ त्यो मन्दिरको
होइन सर म त्यस्तो
को को थियो त्यहाँ भन्दा
खोइ सर म त मेरो बाउ बितेर म धेरै पनि
अब त्यही भएर चोर्दै हिँड्यो
होइन सर म त शिवरात 3 दिन भयो सर म गाउँबाट आएको
₹20
Well, this is it. The news from Pashupatinath temple here in Kathmandu, Nepal. We came in here with a lot of doubts, a lot of confusion, a lot of questions, and most of the questions, answers that we received through our experience all night long, actually more than 10 hours of reporting here directly involving the police, has given us a positive vibe about how secure the Mahashivaratri is. Police My Friend, a campaign that was launched a few years ago by Nepal police, faced criticisms, questions, and was a discussion of comedy according to the experiences of a lot of people. But from tonight's report for On the Record, we have realized that when duty calls, nothing is compromised by these men in blue. Every single detail, the smallest of the small issue, when it starts rising, the action is taken, the team is active, they reach to the spot and they clear it like magic. I really am losing words on this one. So our question, we started with a question: is the Mahashivaratri secure? We're ending with yes, the Mahashivaratri is secure.